going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I want to show you another site that I've been using for a while. I have plenty of videos on this. It's called Earnably. If you want to sign up, the link to it is in the description. Sign up for free and just start making easy money. Now, see there I have 794 points basically. That's equivalent to $7.94. I'm going to cash out. I just made this morning, honestly. This $7.94, just doing a couple surveys, and I did 3 offers, and that equated to 794 points. So all I did, excuse me, is I went over to daily surveys. I did your surveys. I did 2 of these, right? 2 of these, bam, knocked them out. It was like, I think $1.60 for that, right? So then I went back to the home page, clicked on Earnably right here, and I was in Aggie. I did like 3 or 4 offers, but they were like, each offer was at least 75 cents. I think one offer was like $2. And all it was just, submit your email for this product, or, sign up for this for free. And they'll credit you for doing that. You know what I'm saying? Just simple. It doesn't have to be something that you want. Just being able to sign up for something and, just submit your email. You'll just be amazed at how many offers are like that. So I'm going to go in here real quick, see if I see any more like that. Just to give you an example of the stuff that they have. Like stuff like this, guess the car logo size. Now, if you get 100% score, you'll get 36 points. Now, the thing is, when you first take this survey, you might not get 100%. But the thing is, you can take it again. And when you take it again, usually at you'll take the survey or the quiz first, and you might get something wrong, but they'll tell you the correct answer, right? So then next time you do it, you know all the correct answers. You go back and do it. You get 100% score. You get 36 points for doing that. Very simple. Right, so in this right here, this is what I've been talking about right here. Sign up with valid information. How often do you watch YouTube and videos a week? You get 96 points for doing that. All you're doing is you're basically, submitting, an email, your name and stuff like that. You don't have to give them your real name. And when you submit an email, like, it doesn't have to be like your main email. It could be like, a little secondary email that you use for, different things that you don't really, check that often. So that's what I tell people, when it comes to stuff like that. That's kind of stuff you want to look at. Sign up with valid information. Doesn't mean you have to pay. It's just you're signing up. And if you don't want it, you can always cancel it. But you get 96 points for doing that. And just, little stuff like that. There's usually more, with submit your emails and stuff like that. But I did them this morning, so that's why I don't have any more. So, but that got me $7.94. And all of that took me maybe like an hour to do between the surveys and offers, an hour. So basically I made, almost $8 an hour just doing this stuff. So really quick, I want to show you how to redeem on here. Just click on redeem and just see the options that they have. Have PayPal, Amazon, Walmart, a lot of restaurants on here, a lot of grocery stores, things you can choose from. I mean, they have something on here you would like. There's lots of different options, so definitely scroll through and find out what's best for you. For me personally, I'm going to do PayPal, and you'll see the amount of points that you have to get for each thing. In order to get $1, you got to have 125 points, $2, $2.25. And you'll see once it gets to $5, it can, kind of like even out. So $5 equals 500 points, $10. But then when you get to like 50 to 100, it's actually a discount. So right there, I got $7.94. So I can actually cash out $5. So I'm going to do that. All I got to do is click redeem now. And my information is already in there. So you see there, congrats, you just redeemed 500 points. So it's going to be sent to my email within the next, 12 hours. It usually don't take that long to pay. So my balance went down to $2.94. I can actually cash out, $2 if I wanted to. So I guess I'll do that as well, just for the fun of it. So cash out $2 right there, bam, right, just like that. So now I got $6.90. No, my bad, I got 69 cents. So got to stack up my cash again. And also, what I didn't mention is right here, this Hideout TV. I always let these play in the background because you can make a lot of money just having your videos play. Just let them run for hours, just pretty much all day. Even when you're not at home, just let your videos play, and you will let, you'll really stack up money just in having your videos in the background. So there you see it. I've been paid by this app many times. I've been using them for, I believe, over 2 to 3 years now. It's been a long time. So I recommend you guys sign up too. The link to this app or this website is in the description. Sign up today. It's completely free. And always remember, every penny counts.